Welcome to this masterclass from The Banker in association with MarketAxess, where we discuss reimagining private banking. I'm Liz Lumley, Deputy Editor at The Banker, and today I'm sitting down with Erik Tham, Head of Private Banking at MarketAxess, where we will discuss the evolution of private banking. So how are bankers really kind of reacting to the evolution of their business? And I'm really interested to know some case studies where you can give me sort of evidence of this.
Right. So what we see obviously is that private banking execution desk now move more and more not only into electronic trading but also into automation to become more efficient and more scalable as such. And we obviously have our solution for private banks called XLQ, and we rolled it out to, I think we are now approaching 20 different private banking clients. And we have clients, especially in Switzerland where I'm living, that now who are using XLQ really as a one-stop shop to do all their execution in there. And you have desks who have many hundreds of orders per day, and XLQ really allows them to get through this large list of individual orders very efficiently, very easily. They use automation from semi-automation up to zero-touch automation. And some of the desks that are using our platform are not touching about half of 60% of their orders anymore. So all these small orders are fully automated, which is a great thing because it gives the trader more time to focus on the more tricky tickets, on the more interesting, more demanding liquidity searching tasks, where the human touch really makes a big difference. Whereas the small tickets, the easy tickets are just automated. It's the same cases for all other automation, regardless which industry you're looking at. You want to get rid of the small things that you got to automate so you can become more efficient and more scalable to look at the bigger tickets. This is one thing that is really that we see broad scale with all the clients who we working with. Another solution is, talking of case studies, is something we did together with a wealth manager in Miami who is using the XLQ platform not only on the trading desk, but they're also giving their relationship managers a bit of a scaled down version of XLQ. So these relationship managers can now look up data themselves. They can enter orders, follow the execution status of the orders, which then end up on the order queue of the trading desk. And they can do all this live in real time in XLQ. And the way how it happened, the whole setup on the desk is, instead of the client advisors calling the trading desk, oh, can you give me a price indication for this and this bond? Or calling, have you seen my order? Have you seen my limit? How far are the limit away from the market? They use XLQ, and many of their questions they can answer themselves before they have to go and call or chat the trading desk. And one of the main users of this bank in Miami described XLQ as the eyes and the ears of the market, which is quite a nice statement, because this is exactly what it is. And the relationship managers can now really close this gap between the trading desk and the investment decision taking with the client, and make the information just flow much more freely between the client and the trading desk and the market.
I very much liked how you talked about the human touch. Whenever sort of we talk about digital evolution or automation, you don't think that it's actually creating an environment where there can be more human interaction. So it's interesting that that's going on in private banking evolution as well.
If you look at digitalization, what is happening is that you're moving traditional human interaction channels into digital channels. But of course, you don't want to move everything, because there are tasks, there are kinds of interaction where you need the human touch. And in order to actually leverage the benefit of the human touch, you need time. So you don't want to be distracted from low-level tasks. So the goal is really get rid of the low-level tasks, automate them, move these onto digital channels, so you have more time to focus fully on your client.
Erik, thank you very much.
Thank you.